Hello everyone, this is Abhijit and welcome back to Creative Research Channel. So it's been long years, near to 5 years, and we got so many comments around that. So welcome back, and I am also back after long years. I have been into different job profiles and doing other research work. Probably this is the right time. I came back, and now I will share all the activities, all the research or technologies that I have been performed from the past years. So I want to share with you all on that aspect. Probably now we'll be on time. We'll be put regular videos and we'll be in touch with you all. So let's connect and talk on the technology aspects. So you can put the comments, whatever the things you want to discuss on that aspect. Now the thing is that now I want to add more contents to this channel. We will not only break down hardwares and softwares or the project activities. Now we'll be going higher out of that. So we'll break down all the tech news, what's happening around the world. We'll discuss on that. We'll talk about all the technical aspects, might be hardware or software or any technologies. Take it AI, IoT, apps, ML, every concepts we'll discuss here on this channel now. So now I will be regular to the channel. I will put videos on that. Currently, we'll focus on the tech news or whatever the innovations happening around the world. We'll discuss on that. Whatever the new gadgets, new specs, what could be helpful to you, we'll discuss on that. So, we're going deep into that, all the technologies, we'll break down all the hardwares and softwares. So we'll discuss on all the processors, circuits, sensors, and we'll explore all the technologies around the world with you guys. So we'll discuss together and going taking this channel forward. Do all this together. So I need your support on that, and please do keep track on the channel. So we'll post regular videos now, and keep in touch and do comments and subscribe on this channel. Thanks. Bye bye.